Though I was not surprised when he said to me, Mr. Okocha, even though Tinubu or any other presidential candidate assume office as the president of Nigeria comes 2027, it will not prevent the war that is coming. It will not prevent the crisis that is coming. But the reason why it is important that people should join hands to remove Tinubu and APC regime is because if they are not in power, they will not support the terrorists. They will not back so many people who are going to come against the people. This is a conversation I have with a very respected armed force personnel. I am going to share it, but I'm not supposed to share it with you. So stay with me in this video. Let's talk about this. Wednesday, June 3, 2026 is today. Good afternoon. What was supposed to be a private conversation is what I'm going to share in this video. Despite I'm going to hide the identity and restrict myself from mentioning the name of the person that I had a conversation with, but he is a top armed force person. I won't even tell you whether he's a soldier or police. And the reason why I want to share our conversation is because this has always been my fear. And it's important you pay attention to understand this. This has always been my fear. If you do watch my videos, there is something I don't pretend to talk about, like there is no political regime change that will change Nigeria. Even though an angel enters Sorok, it will not change Nigeria. I am not saying that because there is no good person that can win an election and try to serve the interest of the people. That is not why I'm saying it. I'm saying it because of the structure of Nigeria, because of the damage that has happened. So I was talking with this man. The man was saying, Okocha, I used to watch your video. You are trying, but most of the time, you do tell people that no matter who wins next election, that is not going to change anything. What you are saying is true, but I want to tell you what you don't know, Okocha. I told him I'm listening. He said, if someone like P2B win election in next year, 2027, you will see that there will even be more insecurity and war. That is not because P2B is going to cause it or P2B is not going to stop it. He said that is because P2B is going to put out pressure to tackle everything, just try to appease and please Nigerians to show that he is a good man. He said that, but you see this insecurity, if I tell you what is in it, you open your mouth. He said that most people in the government offices, that they are, I have been saying it right from time. So that one is not a new thing. Everybody knows in Nigeria that the complicity of the people in government is real. So he repeated the same thing. He said, how do you think if P2B remove these people from office, how do you think that they will sit back and not use the same terrorists to set Nigeria ablaze? Immediately he made this statement, I received more senses. The reason why I say I receive more senses is because this is what I've been telling people, that you see the way Nigeria is now at this level. It is all about everybody prepare for war. Prepare for war. Don't say that they did not tell you this. Prepare for war. Everybody should prepare for war. It might not come suddenly, but we already have the preliminary aggression. There is a war ongoing, but the war I'm talking about is a complete and total war. It is going to come. It is going to come. Because, you see, this is dangerous. So, they just told me this morning that federal government delegation are trying to share money and rice to the victim of people they kidnapped in Oyo State. And their parents rejected it and demanded that they should bring back their children home. Now, you see, where the bandits, these terrorists, where they buy their fuel, federal government cannot say they don't know. Who is giving them weapon? Federal government said they can't say they don't know. Under only APC regime, 178,000 guns are missing. Up to 100 AK-47 are missing. Rebadu said the guns the terrorists are using belongs to the federal government. I hope you are matching the connection. I hope you are understanding what I'm talking about. Now, pay attention. This man told me that even though what he's telling me is going to happen, that it is important people join hands together to remove Tinubu. That yes, even though Tinubu is removed out of office and people who are sponsoring terrorism want to use terrorists to scatter Nigeria, to do all sort of things, that it is even better that way. That the way things are right now, you see, people who are doing it, though not all of them in government, he said people who are doing it are still the one going out to let people know that they are countering the insurgency. This is total indictment. But I'm not surprised because this is what I've been saying since. This is what I have the proof personally. I have the proof personally. So I am not saying it and alleging anything. I am not alleging it. In fact, I was talking to one policeman at a time. The policeman was saying, when you are saying something online, you don't need to say it direct like that because of litigation tomorrow. I was telling the man, if anybody is afraid in Nigeria to say things the way it is, meaning the person is not ready, is this life that we are living? This is not life. This is not life. That was last week as well. I was telling people that, listen, this year, next year, I'm not that political again because I believe and I have seen, I have researched that this is not the solution. But I used to tell people that removing Tinubu out of office is a counter-terrorism. It's not just about politics. Removing this man, get this man out of there is a counter-terrorism. So that when these terrorists will bring war, if they bring war, not this kind of war you are seeing, no, they are bringing war. They are bringing war to Nigerians. They are bringing war to your doorstep. If they bring the war that you don't have terror sponsor in office, maybe the people will be able to fight it. Soldiers will not join them. But when soldiers are receiving calls to help the terrorists, soldiers will respond and help the terrorists against you. Do you now know the reason why I am saying that removing Tinubu is a counter-terrorism? It is a counter-terrorism. It is not a political something. When we remove Tinubu, we all know that the war is still coming. Either Tinubu is there, Tinubu is not there, the war is coming. So, if Tinubu is there, if this APC administration is there, they have been supporting terrorists. They will still support the terrorists to kill you when this war comes. So, the summary of what this force personnel, I don't want to make mistake at all to reveal the identity of this person or make people think who the person might be. The summary of what he's saying is that the danger ahead of Nigeria, whether Obi enter or Obi did not enter, it is going to come. But it is better someone else win the election than Tinubu to remain there because of the complicity of the APC administration. The man made mention of Atiku, but I rebuked him. I said, no, Atiku is a terror sympathizer. When Deborah was stoned to death, you remember what Atiku did? Atiku removed the post because of the fear of people who were warning him. And that kind of person said he wants to become president. You want to become president, but you could not have the guts to post something. Like, if I want to serve people, I want to be a senator, a governor. Like, I'm putting my life in the line. I will put my life in the line like soldiers who, if they are going to war to fight Boko Haram, they already know that they might die. They may die. Like, they don't even know what tomorrow holds for them. That is the way I put out my life if I want to be president, governor, because I'm going to step on toes. Is this a country? Like, what sort of rubbish is this? Is this what you people call a country? I don't believe that Nigeria is going to work. I don't believe in one Nigeria. One Nigeria is what brought us here. What is the gain of one Nigeria? What is the gain of one Nigeria? What is the gain of one Nigeria? What are you gaining? No, what are you gaining? If up to this level, you people don't know that dismantling Nigeria is a solution, like I'm going to tell you people that I'm going to sell a lot of land in Atlantic Ocean for you. I will tell you that I'm going to sell land in Atlantic Ocean for you. Whether there is land in Atlantic Ocean, it's your own cup of tea. Because if at this point you don't know that dismantling Nigeria is the solution now, the war is coming. Nobody is going to stop it. Nobody is going to stop it. I'm not a warmonger. I'm telling you the reality. Go back to my videos. Go back to my videos like 1 year ago, 2 years ago. Everything I told you, is there anything that has not happened? And I'm still telling you that this war is coming. A very brutal war. This is not what people want. But this is what they have calculated. See, the intention of people, so many people in government, so many of them, with these terrorists, their intention to bring Nigeria into a Sharia state and turn it into a terrorist stronghold is real. It's real in the sense that they believe that they have achieved it. They believe they have achieved it. Any political figure who is strong in Nigeria is a suspect now. It's a suspect. Don't believe what they say. Don't believe what they tell you. They know where these terrorists are. They know whom they are working for. They know everything. They know how to crush them if they want to crush them. But they don't want to do that. So, don't believe anything they are telling you. Crisis is coming. War is coming. Chaos is coming. But removing Tinubu out of office is not political. It's a counter-terrorism to enable, us to be able to fight the war that will come. Because if Tinubu is there, if APC is there, they will continue to support terrorists. This thing I'm saying, I want you to go and sit down and think about it. These people imported this Fulani militia, don't forget. They imported them. They imported them. I don't want to say more than this. Prepare for what is ahead. But don't forget that removing Tinubu is a counter-terrorism. Removing Tinubu is a counter-terrorism. It's not that political. It is a counter-terrorism.